Hi, my name is Akash Mukundra Ugli. Today we are discuss about the introduction of pharmacovigilance, thalidomide tragedy, definition of pharmacovigilance, which guidelines used in the pharmacovigilance means ICS guideline, GBP guideline, GCP guidelines, what is meant by COMS forms, what is meant by ICSR processing, which regulatory authorities presents, which tools means which dictionary used in the ICSR processing, what is meant by re-challenge, what is meant by re-challenge, what is meant by de-challenge positive, what is meant by de-challenge negative, causality assessment. First we are discuss about the thalidomide tragedy. Thalidomide firstly marketed in 1957 in West Germany. The German pharmaceutical company to develop the thalidomide. The thalidomide is primarily prescribed for the sedative or hypnotics. But thalidomide claimed the cure the anxiety, nausea, tensions. After 2 words, thalidomide are used for the morning sickness and vomiting in the pregnant woman. Thalidomide is a over-the-counter drug in Germany. Minimum 5 to 700 new infant born with the phlocomyia. Phlocomyia means inflammation in the limbs. Its affect the urinary tract infections, respiratory tract infections, hearts. Definition. Then next is definition of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance, WHO describes for pharmacovigilance is a science, alternative activity with the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse reactions and any problem related to the medicines. The next is a ICS guidelines. What is meant by ICS? ICS means International Council of Harmonization, is technically required for the pharmaceutical use for human use. ICS is a bring together with the regulatory authority and pharmaceutical company for the Europe, Japan, United States. The main ICS guidelines means safety, efficacy, multidisciplinary and quality. Then ICS guideline for PV, 13 ICS guideline for PV. COMS COM means Council of International Organization of Medical Science, is an international non-governmental non-profitable organization. It's provide the platform for the discussion and present the ideas related to the product of pharmaceuticals and pharmacovigilance. Then what is meant by ICSR processing? International case study reports. ICSR processing is a international case study report, is a safety service document in which information required for the reporting of adverse reactions and any problem related to the medicines. Compliance filled with the consumer. There are main 4 criteria to identify the case, means identify the patient. First, identify the patient. Second, identify the reporter. Identify the suspected drug. Then identify the adverse events. Which tools means which dictionary used in the pharmacovigilance? First is WHO dictionary, MEDRA, COARTS. WHO dictionary is the international classification of the drugs. It is a use for the regulatory authorities and clinical organizations for the identify the drugs name in spontaneous reportings. Then second is MEDRA. MEDRA is a clinically validated international medical terminology. It is used for the regulatory authority, clinical organization. It is a use for the coding of adverse events. MEDRA is written in two languages, Japanese and English. This is all about the basic information of pharmacovigilance. Thank you.